Introducing the Origami Ghost Flicker, and this is how it flies. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, wanna learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this Ghost Flicker, I use a 6-inch square of kami, black on one side and white on the other. But for this tutorial, for clarity, since there's some tiny folds involved with rounding the eyes, I'm going to show you how to fold it from a 10-inch square of kami instead. So let's begin with the black side up. So obviously for a white ghost with black eyes, begin with the black side up, and let's fold it in half, diagonally. We're going to make a fish face. Unfold, and fold in half like this way. Unfold, and fold this edge to the middle. And yeah, we can go all the way across. I was just gonna fold to this crease, but it doesn't matter. Alright, and fold this side to the middle. Okay, unfold, and make those two folds at the same time. Like this. So we have this point that sticks up, and flatten to one side, and flatten it the other way too. Like this. Okay, and now repeat on this side. Here we go. Fold like this. And make the wrap here. Okay, like this. And flatten them both to one direction, like this. So these 2 points are going to be the 2 eyes. Okay, so now let's turn over, like this, right to left, and take this bottom point and fold this corner to the middle. But we're just going to make 2 crease marks, one on this side and one on this side, like that. Okay, unfold, and now fold it up so the 2 crease marks align with the crease. And we're going to make a crease mark, but don't make them on the 2 sides this time. Make the crease mark in the middle, right here. Okay, unfold, and rotate like this, and fold this corner to the single crease mark. Alright, like this. Okay, unfold that. And now we're going to sink it inside. So this is how we're going to do it. So we're going to open here, like this. And we have these 3 creases here. We're going to pinch those mountain folds. So pinch this crease and mountain, this crease, and this crease. Like that. And now make sure this part goes inside. And we're going to valley fold on this crease and this crease. Like this. Just like that. See? And we sunk it in just like that. Okay, and now let's turn over. And now we're gonna fold this corner to the top. Like this. To the top of the edge, not to the point. The edge. This. Okay, unfold. And now we're gonna sink it as well. So on the crease we just made, so open here, and pinch the creases mountain folds, just these ones here, and then valley fold on 2 creases going down. And this is a little bit tricky because you want to fold this flap so it goes into this, so this side goes into this pocket, and this side goes into this pocket. Not these 2 pockets, but the inner pockets right here. See? this. There we go, just like that. Okay, that was probably the hardest part of the whole model, but I think all the folds are easier. Okay, so now let's work on the eyes. So take this point, fold it to here. Alright, and fold this corner to this point. Okay, now open the pocket and squash like this. Alright, and fold the corner up like this. Okay, there's one of the eyes. And repeat on this side. So fold down to the point. Alright, and fold to that point. And squash. And fold the flap down. Okay, just like this. And now we're gonna take this eye right here and we're gonna pivot it. So this corner touches this crease right there. See? So that crease. See? And we're folding it to the edge. Like that. And repeat on this side. So pivot it so that corner touches the crease. Alright, just like this. Okay, so if you want square eyes like this, then you don't need to do this. But if you want to round the eyes like I did on this model, then here's how to do that. So that's why I'm using 10-inch paper for this model, because the folds in here are kind of small. And kind of challenging too. Well, just one of them is. Okay, so let's first round the sides. So you just want to try and make this an octagon. Just fold it to taste. Both sides. Okay. And the top point as well, the raw one. Okay, now this is the hard one here. So we're gonna make a swivel fold. And this is how we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna zoom in quite a bit for this one. This is kind of small. See? So you wanna make a swivel fold, and we're making a mountain fold that finishes the octagon. See? It's a mountain fold right here. And we're just gonna make a swivel fold like this. And just do that to taste. However you can. It's fine. See? Just like that. That was kind of tricky. That was probably the hardest of the whole model, actually. Alright. See? And now we made it into an octagon. Kind of an ugly octagon, but looks okay though. So I'll just go with that. Okay. And repeat on this side also. So here we go. Let's do the easy ones first. Just fold the points behind to taste. Alright, and this one. Okay, and the swivel one, this is the hard one. So start by making a mountain fold, just to about there. And just make that swivel fold. Like that. Okay, not great, but good enough. Alright, see? And now the eyes are rounded. And I think that looks nicer, but I think I like the square eyes better because it's cleaner and simpler that way. But I think this looks nicer though. But this is more messy and harder. Okay, so now we're just gonna make it into a ghost shape now. So it's a hexagon right now, and it doesn't look nice. So turn over and fold this up in between the 2 points. This. And repeat on this side. Fold in between these 2 points. Okay, just like this. And now, this is going to be the top of the head right here with these 2 flaps right here. So let's turn over and fold this up. How much? This is just to taste, just to fold it maybe. Oh, there we go. I have a guide mark right here. You can fold it up so this length is equal to this length right there. Yeah, that's a good guide mark. I just came up with that just now. But on these two models, I just did it to taste. But yeah, just do it. You can just do it to taste. All right, like that, and make an airplane fold. So fold this edge to this edge, or you can go maybe a little bit further. Just do it to taste. But there is a guide mark. You can fold it to the edge. See? There you go. That looks good. And repeat on this side. Just folding it up. Like that. Alright, and there is the head completed. And now let's just kind of close this part off too. So turn over and just fold this up. Just a little. Alright, and crease that really sharply too, like so it stays flat. Alright, and there it is. The Origami Ghost Flicker. And you can just give it a little bit of curvature, so it makes it fly better. It'll give it some lift. Alright, and once you did that, there's your Origami Ghost Flicker complete. Alright, now, time to fly it. Alright, so to fly the thing, you know the drill. It's just like an ordinary flicker. So, I'm gonna hold it right here, and I'm gonna flick on this top edge. So here we go. It didn't spin a lot in the air, so I kind of failed on that one. It might fly better if you use 6-inch paper like this. Yeah, that was better. Okay, let's try this one again. There we go, that was better. Okay, I'm gonna do the 6-inch one this time. Oh yeah, that one definitely flies better than the 10-inch one. Okay, one more time. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.